balanced rigid disk mounted on a rigid rotor has 4 identical point masses, each of 10 grams, attached to 4 points on 100 mm radius circle as shown in the figure. So this is how point masses A, B, C and D are attached to a rotating disk with radius is equal to 100 mm. The question is, the rotor is driven by a motor at uniform angular speed of 10 radians per second. If one of the masses get detached, then the magnitude of resultant unbalanced force on the rotor is dash Newton. Here also, we need to round off the solution to 2 decimal places. Let's proceed to the solution. It is given that mass is 10 grams. Let us try to convert that into kg by multiplying 10 power minus 3 to 10. Also, it is given that the radius of the disk is 100 mm. We need to multiply 10 power minus 3 to convert that into meters. It is also given that the angular speed is 10 radians per second. Now, we all know that acting on each point mass on a disk having a rigid, which is mounted on a rigid rotor, is mr omega square. We know m, we know r and we know omega. When we substitute that, we will end up with force acting on each point mass is 0.1 Newton. So here, since we have 4 point masses located at 4 different points on the circumference, when one mass gets detached, the masses which are opposite to each other will balance, but the mass which is opposite to the mass which is detached remains unbalanced. So the magnitude of unbalanced force on the rotor is 0.1 Newton, because since one mass is already detached which has a force of 0.1 Newton on it, there is no other mass which counteracts on the opposite mass which is already intact on the rotor. So the mass which is already opposite to the detached mass and also intact in the rotor remains unbalanced. So that particular force is 0.1 Newton. Hope that is clear to you. Let's see the answer range given. It is from 0.09 to 0.11.